Hey, what's up guys, I'm my friend Jochen and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see, finally we arrived to my grandma's house after a long journey. What an odyssey to get here, because oh my god, we lost connection on our phone. We had no more GPS. Before that, we took the wrong exits on the wrong time and all of that. It was a chaos. You guys saw it in my last episode, on my last video, when we were driving to Tenango del Valle, to my grandma's house. But finally, thank God, we are here, healthy, we are doing good, and we finally reunited with my grandma after so long, after 3 years. Last time we saw her was in 2019. Anyways, today we're gonna settle down and we're gonna go spend some time with my grandma. It's pretty late now. It's 9, I think it's, let me see, 9 o'clock. Here I will begin my new vlog in Mexico, but today I will be in Tenango del Valle. So here begins the new journey. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm super excited, but it's cold, so I gotta, get working. So I brought my PJs and I'm wearing shorts right now and it's cold. I had to get out of the car without even having time to put on my pants because I had to open the door. I'll just put it over my shorts. You guys can't see me. There you go. Good. Let's go. Now I'm gonna take Shiro with me because he's just like looking around. He's like, what's going on? What's going on? Where am I? Like, what am I doing here? So I'm gonna bring him with me. I'm gonna take you guys to the kitchen, okay?
La canela. ¿Qué vas a retratar el té? Ay, no. Van a decir que.
No.
Caray de los carayes. Esto es canela, guayaba, manzana y Jamaica.
Okay, so my grandma's saying that this tea is basically apple, guava, cinnamon, and hibiscus. So when we got here, she warmed it up again, and she's now giving us some tea. And she was actually asking me, like, are you taking video of the tea? Super nice. I've been craving for a concha so bad. I want this white one.
Los frijoles
Tea.
Ni por avión tampoco te la piden ya. Porque ya no te terminé de decir. Empecé yo a investigar por lo de los boletos. Y entonces lo primero que preguntamos fue eso. Y en la página de internet también de las aerolíneas también te dice que si vas a viajar para Estados Unidos para México.
I need it so bad.
Nosotros también.
Apenas. Después, creo que en ese tiempo que pidió aquí.
A nosotros nos dio justo en el cumpleaños de Moni.
¿Ves que nos dijiste, no?
In Mexico we call this torta de
huevo.
Torta de huevo, Egg. They made some beans over here, so I'll just put a little bit because I don't want to eat beans too late.
No.
But I'm gonna put beans on this part. Now we will get ready to sleep. It's been a long day today, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So yeah, you can tell that I just woke up. I woke up I would say like an hour ago, but I was on a call, and right now I will get ready. I really need to take a shower, but I'm gonna ask my grandma. my auntie if I can take a shower in her house because I need warm water. Hot water to be more specific. And yeah, today's my grandma's birthday. My mom's birthday was yesterday, and we're gonna celebrate their birthdays together. So yeah, I want to get ready early. I woke up at 8 something, but now it is 9:10 around.
No, it's
9 something.
9:27.
Oh, 9:27. Oh my god. Exactly an hour ago I woke up. And I only woke up because of Shiro, because he was meowing. I was like, oh my god, I was afraid that he was gonna poop on in his carrier, since he did that last night. No, last night, like 2 nights ago. And I was like, no, I don't want him to poop or pee in his carrier. Therefore, I woke up really fast and I went to check him, and he was just starving. So I fed him. He's right now playing, kind of upset because he wants to be like running around, and he can't do that because I don't want him to go out and he's gonna get lost here. So probably he's not gonna get lost, but I will lost him out of sight, so I don't want that. And anyway, so right now I will start to get ready, and I will show you guys later. Today we will be celebrating birthdays, so today will be another celebration day like in Monterey. And yeah, let's see how it goes. They told me that all of the family will be coming, so you guys will be seeing my whole family. I hope so. My cousins, probably my uncles. Oh, I only have an uncle. My uncle and my aunties, cousins, and all of that. So let's see. Oh, by the way, they're planning to do tamales and mole. Mole, it's a big thing in Mexico. It's like mole, it's one of the most traditional and most common dishes they consume here in Mexico. And they also use, or they eat a lot of mole for weddings, mostly in towns. For example, this one in Tenango del Valle. But they're gonna be making mole. They had almost everything ready yesterday because they were waiting for us. But since yesterday was a chaos and we lost time, therefore nothing was made. No one came to the house because of that. Yeah, that's why I want to get ready, and I want to go help in the kitchen because my auntie said that I was going to help with the tamales. And yeah, okay, whatever. I'll stop talking. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Right now, I have to look for my stuff, and there's a mess. Really, there's a mess. There's always a mess when we arrive somewhere, and basically we're leaving tomorrow. So it's like just bringing everything out of the car today and put it back in. Well, we're not gonna put it back in because we're leaving, and we're gonna use the bus to go to Mexico City because tomorrow is the Cry of Independence, the 15th of September. Today's 14th, and yeah, we're gonna be spending the Cry of Mexico in Mexico City. So we're gonna be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are coming back. So yeah, that's how it is. Right now I'm gonna sort out my stuff, my clothes, and I'm gonna see what I can wear to work with my auntie right now, and then later on for the celebration. But yeah, let's go. Now let's go to the kitchen. Alright guys, so my auntie, she was explaining right now that she's gonna make 3 types of tamales. She's making the lard right there. Es manteca de vegetal? Nada más? Okay, that's vegetable shortening, and then and butter. So it's vegetable shortening and butter. And on this other side we have the ingredients of the tamales that she's gonna be making. So it's gonna be veggies for one of them. The other one would be anise, and this one would be it's chicken with green pepper. And this tastes bomb, bro. This is one of my favorite ones. And she's gonna add the flour, a special flour for tamales. Can I have some tea? By the way, these are las hojas de tamal. These are the ones we're going to be using to stuff them with all of the ingredients, with the masa, and then you're going to roll them up, obviously as a tamal, and then that's how you will get you our tamales, okay? These are pretty different than the ones I'm usually used to using in Monterey. In Monterey, they're completely different. You've guys seen it on my other videos and also on my stream on New Year's Eve. But this is Mexico City. Tamales, but we already put them here with the coal so they can start to kind of pre-cook, and we are gonna put the rest over here to fill all of this. And yeah, I don't know how much it takes to cook in total, but we're gonna put this meanwhile, and then we're gonna move on to the mole. Okay, so we're gonna be doing 2 different things, and since these usually take long to cook, that's why we put them first, and then yeah, we're gonna move on to the other ones, okay? Alright guys, so I'm about to eat pata de pollo. I've never eaten this before. By the look, to be honest, personally, I don't like it. But they're like, okay, just have the experience, try it out. Let's see if you like it. I was like, oh, okay. I don't want to, but okay. Yes, I'll have to try it because I'm in Mexico. And I'll give you my honest opinion about it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro.
Más caro y no hay.
Lime.
Los híbridos, primero empezaron con los híbridos, pero ahorita ya son eléctricos completos, igual que Tesla.
Pero es carísimo.
Claro, porque por ejemplo una F-150 de la Ford vale...
¿Cómo se?
No, nada más le agarro la patita y...
Echa el limoncito y salecita.
Bajar la patita así, así,
Mira, órale, dale la de acá. Bueno, ponte el limoncito así. Ahora, nada más la así, haz de cuenta que es la patita así, así mira. Bueno.
si no quieres no es abuela. Pero a mí como no me gusta.
No, yo te
A ver.
Yo me quisiera hacer una cuchara, no me
Ahí está.
gusta nada. Yo me gusta los chiles.
Nosotros.
No sé, lo que hacer es un plato porque así no puedes agarrar el chile más agarrar el cebolla.
Ay, ¿qué va a hacer?
Un dedo se quedó. Cómetelo, cómetelo.
Yo solo si
Es puro hueso.
Por aquí tiene más en la hecho.
Ya.
Como un cuerito nada más, como...
Una vez allá cuando fui con uno de mis compas al DF.
¿Dónde?
Allá al DF.
Está bien. It's
30
okay.
pesos, 4 patas.
It's not delicious, but it's okay.
Ahora métele una mordida normal.
Y si quieres una orden, no, que no me gusta.
¿Quieres más caldito calientito, hijo?
Las
Javier?
patas. 30 pesos. Y sí, harta gente que se junta. Les gusta mucho allá
Ya se te enfrió. ¿A dónde?
a los chilangos, ¿eh? Pues en las patas. La orden 30 pesos.
¿A dónde?
En el DF.
¿En los frascos no se puede agarrar?
Les gustan las patas.
No parece la cebolla.
¿Sí? ¿Sí es pasable?
Now here we have the chicken, and we're gonna be using this for el mole, and they have the rice over here. I don't know if they're gonna be using these carrots, but at least the chicken, it's already pre-cooked. And I love these ollas. These are so beautiful. It's so authentic. Look at them. Actually, my grandma has a collection. I love them. They're so gorgeous. It's so Mexican. But yeah. Okay, so yeah, as soon as they have maybe the mole, which is the sauce, they will just pour it on into the chicken, and that's it. And then we're gonna be waiting for the tamales to be fully cooked. And ta-da! Meanwhile, I don't know if they're gonna be needing my help for this. I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of how they make it, and then I'm gonna go shower because I really need a shower. And yeah, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, we're going to the store right now. Hey. Like they're gonna say hi back, right? He's staring at me. Ben, come here. Come here. Ben. Ben. Hey, wait. Ben, Ben, Ben. Ollie. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. They left me. Hi. Aww. Bye-bye. Bye, baby. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, this is the back part of the main street of my grandma's house. And all of this is La Barranca. My dad used to go up there, and he would always climb the trees and kill birds. Whenever he needed to relax, he would always go to La Barranca and chill. But yeah. Okay. Right now, it's the season for corn. Look at that. Thank God right now. Since I don't love cold weather, I'm really happy right now because it's not cold at all. I would say it's like 24 degrees maybe. I'm wearing a sweater just because in her house, in the kitchen, it's a bit cold. But it's okay. With the sun, it's really nice right now. I love it. And hopefully it stays like that because right now it's a really nice day. And yesterday it was pouring rain. It was raining the whole day. And then at night when we arrived, it wasn't raining, but everything was wet. It was kind of uncomfortable for people to walk like that. Mexican dog. Firulais. Bye-bye. He was like, you talking to me? Like, excuse me? Who are you talking to like that? Oh, it's right there. It's not like you have to walk or take the car to drive to a store. And that's the entrance to the town. So yeah. Anyways, this is a little store, and let's see what they have inside. I've been waiting so long to go to a store. I don't know if they're gonna let me film. Let's just do it incognito. Oh. Buenas tardes. Oh my god, I love these. My childhood summarized in a little store. I would always be like, oh,
Colors are so good.
yeah, I would always be like, Mom, can you give me some coins? I want to buy something. And she would always give me some money to buy at my auntie's store. But obviously, because she was my auntie, she would always give us stuff for free, right, Amy?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not so expensive. Obviously, compared to my childhood, which was like more than 10 years ago, yes, there is a big difference in money and costs, but it's okay. And they have other sodas over there, and they got some bread. Usually earlier in the mornings they have all this basket stuffed with bread, but yeah, of course this will go away like in the first hour, and it's pretty late right now. It's like what, 11? What time is it? 12:19. Yeah, it's too late. That's all they have. Those are the leftovers. And yeah, they have another section in there, but I don't want to go in because there's a lot of people, like the boss and the owners. Estoy esperando a mi abuelita. Sí. No, gracias. They're asking me if I want something. Oh yeah, that's also to kill mosquitoes, or no, those are flies, right? That and these strips, they have glue, and those are to kill flies. Okay, let me go in. Oh, look at that doggy. Maybe he goes with the lady. I just brought some balloons from my house, and I put my uncle and my sister to build them to decorate here for my grandma and my mom.
Giovanna así es, puro cuernos arriba. Entonces le dije, me voy a la plaza y vengo.
Sí, voy a un principio de YouTube.
Él tenía un... ¿Tú tenías un Maverick, no? ¿O quién tenía un Maverick?
Balloons are ready now. I don't know if we're gonna hang them because I don't know if they have strings or tape. But I made this one. I just put it there so balloons means that there's a party, you know. Anyways, they are putting the table. Maybe it's this one. They combine two tables because there's gonna be a lot of family later today. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my auntie to come out of the bathroom because I want to take a shower. And then I'm gonna get ready. And they're making el mole over there. Over there. The tamales are ready. Let's see. This is mine. ¿Verdad?
Son los más medianitos porque los chiquitos son de sal.
Ah, esos son de verdura. Ay, qué rico, de rajas. ¿Para mí?
Sí,
¿O nada para el video?
Bueno, cómetelo.
This is tomato, peppers, onions, and cheese.
No, digo, me espera que se coman los de arriba.
These are veggies, carrots, squash, cheese. They use another herb that I don't really remember which it is. And that's one of my favorite ones. This is mi favorito.
Mira, ahí está el versito.
Si está flaquito es mío.
Mira. So cool.
Chicken with salsa verde.
Ahí está.
Enjoy. Bon appetit. Guten Appetit. Provecho.
Cruzar.
On this other side, I'm preparing some hibiscus water. Because my dad, he mentioned that I always make the hibiscus water in my house. So therefore, they gave me everything, and I'm doing it right now. And I'm gonna pour it in this vitrolero. That's how we call it in Mexico. These typical authentic Mexican containers. It's really nice. So I'm gonna pour the hibiscus water in here. And on this other side, I'm doing these balloons decor. So I'm gonna hang them from this side, crossing.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
So now I'm ready. We are leaving. We're gonna go to Tenango, which is like the downtown because we need to go to the bank. And also we got to buy some other stuff for today's party. And yeah, so Dad is waiting for us. I will hurry up because then they're going to close the bank. And we still have a lot of stuff to do. And then the rest of the family will come later today. Yeah, by then we need to have everything ready and we must be at home. So anyways, let's go.